Cucumber has been having its moment recently, so let's make it 3 ways. Let's add some cottage cheese and the Furikake. Thank you so much, Sherry. I also decided to add in some green onions. This is what it looks like. The cottage cheese, Furikake, and green onions. Let's do a taste test. I'm not gonna lie, it's fire. Cottage cheese, Furikake, and green onions. Gonna grate in a clove of garlic. I don't have fresh dill, so we're just using dill from the container. Lemon juice and some salt. A little splash of olive oil. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's try it. Just like tzatziki. Greek yogurt, tzatziki. Gonna add in some miso, a little bit of sugar, rice vinegar, a little bit of pepper, some green onions, splash of mirin. This is what it looks like. That smells good. Let's try it. Miso cucumber. Cottage cheese, Furikake, Greek style tzatziki, and miso cucumber.